We're at Biggs Harley Davidson, and today we're looking at a 2015 Harley Davidson Street Glide in Vivid Black. We have dual disc braking in the front, engine guards with the highway pegs. You can stretch out while riding. 103 cubic inch engine. We have the passenger rider pegs as well. A really nice luggage rack on the back. And there's the option for the quick disconnect backrest as well. Locking saddlebags. There's some cool detailing on the turn signals on the rear. We have a heel toe shifter. Nice high chrome bars. And we also have this nice pinstriping detail on the front fairing and the smoked out windshield. Again, we're at Biggs Harley Davidson, located in San Marcos, California, and we are open for test rides 6 days a week.